Hey guys, it's me again, and I just want to let you know that next week we're going to Ottawa for I don't remember days, for like 3 or 4 days for my aunt's wedding, and I wanted to make a vlog, and I was thinking this since May, yeah, no wait, I forget, but but and I wanted to tell you guys today, but I then LPS Level 11 MC made a vlog, and then I'm like, I didn't want to see like I was copying her, so I'm still going to make a vlog, but I'm just telling you guys that I did not copy her, and I hope you guys believe me because I really didn't copy her. I knew that we were going to Ottawa since May, or was it June? I don't remember, but I was planning this since I started making my videos. So please, I hope you guys don't think that I'm copying her, and I'll just start making videos about me in Ottawa. So yeah, okay, bye.